So hello everyone. Yeah, this is something different. In this video, we will be talking about the private subnet and the public subnet. So previously we have discussed about how we can connect EC2 machine using VPC. And basically inside our VPC, how we can create our EC2 machine. Along with that, we created subnet inside our VPC. Remember, subnet can only be created inside a region, whereas availability region, whereas your VPC can be created inside a particular place or location. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's topic, which is basically our public subnet and private subnet. Okay, so let me show you VPC for now. So as you can see, it may take little time. Okay, now it's on. What is our VPC? Okay, so earlier we created u underscore VPC. If I click on this VPC and go to resource map new, okay, so we can see we have four subnets. Okay, and these four subnets are attached with one route table named as machine underscore table. Okay, and this route table is again attached with internet gateway. Okay, through this we were able to access the internet. Right, now let's try to check our subnets. Okay, I'll better make a difference in their name so that it will be easy to recognize which subnets are private and which are public. Earlier, I have created a EC2 instance based on this network 2. Okay, so I'll better create network 1 and 2 as public. Okay, public, and network 2 also public. Network 3 and 4 I'll create as a private. Okay, I'm just renaming so that it will be very much clear. I'll just copy this one instead of again writing. Save the last one. Okay, I'll you can forward this one if it is little boring. Okay, yeah. So we are all set. We can recognize we have two public and two private, but right now all four you have to consider as what? Public. Okay, we just have seen because all these subnets are associated with our VPC, and that VPC is again connected with our route table. So again we have to create another route table because machine underscore route table. Instead of that, I'll better name it as that machine public route table. Okay, that will be quite handy. Public route table. Okay, I'll save this one. I have just renamed it. I haven't created any new. Okay, and this table right now it is associated with internet gateway, which is allowing internet traffics to pass. I'll create another subnet. Sorry, route table. It is private underscore machine or table route table private table. Okay, VPC, same VPC we're gonna choose. Okay, so since this will be a new tag, okay, I'll just create. Yes, so as you can see we have two route tables right now. One is public, another is private. Okay, there is nothing public or private for now. Public is having actually access of internet and private is not having the access of internet. Now we have to connect our private uh, subnets with that private route table. Okay, let's do that one. So I'll just click both. One by one you have to do. That will be go to route table, edit route table association. I'll change the route table. We'll be having private one, right? If you see the difference, the public route table is actually associated with internet gateway, which is allowing the traffic that 4 times 0. Okay, whereas if we go to public private, it is not associated with any gateway right now. So I'll just save this one. Okay. third one is done. I'll have to check the fourth one, uncheck this one, check this one, go to route table, edit route table association, and then again I'll put it in private part. uh, don't go into that one. Okay, private table. Okay, that's the route table. Okay, so what we have done so far, we renamed our subnets to private and public. We just differentiated between them. We created another route table which is not having access to internet gateway, and then we associated two subnets with that private route table. Okay, let's go and see whether there is any change in the resource map. Okay, this is actually a very good thing. Okay, if you can see, the network 1 and network 2 are associated with public route table. Okay, here is the public route table, and that is associated with the internet gateway, which we have done in our previous video. Whereas third and 4, which is our private subnet, is not associated with any of the internet gateway. So right now it is not having the access of internet. Let's go and create instance based on this private uh, table, that is route table. Okay, I'll just uncheck this one. Let's go to our EC2 instance. Hope you are having a clear cut idea what we are going to do. If not, it will be get clear as soon as we will proceed. So let's see so far how many instances we have. For now, you can consider this VPC, MACINE, machine spelling is also wrong. I'll just rename this VPC public. Okay, public. Yeah, click on this one. It will save. For now, just since this one got terminated. Okay, so don't focus on this private underscore EC2. We'll create another one. Okay, so okay, launch instance private underscore VPC. Private underscore VPC. Okay, fine. Let's go down. Ubuntu. Okay, we'll go a little more down. We'll choose a key pair. Okay, I'll choose any of the key pair. Test underscore company. Test company. Okay, that's fine. Network setting. We'll have to edit this part. For now, VPC. Of course, we will be connect to UVPC. Both should be. And remember, we need to choose the private one. So let's go with the network 3, which is the private IP address, private subnet. Okay. This one is disable auto assign public IP, or you can enable it if you wish. Okay. Let's create a security group. So this fine, this fine. Instead of SSH, I'm gonna use ICMP. Okay, ICMP v4, because I want to ping into this machine. Okay, so that's why. That's it. Enable, everything is done. Perfect. Let's launch the instance. I will have to wait a little bit. Okay, have have some patience. I know you are having, but I'll have to say something. Okay, I'll have to run this the previous one. Go to instant state, start the instance, and just wait for few seconds. Both are in pending state. Let me refresh. Do I have to say every steps? It's better. Things will be clear. Okay, one is running, other one is still in pending. So since that one taking little time, till then we can discover this part. Okay, this private underscore VPC. I'll just try to connect with it. This one. Let's try to connect. EC2 instance. Connect. Okay. What do you think? Are we going to connect? Since it is running, till it is running, you better write down your comment. Okay. as per our knowledge, we will not be getting connected. Why? Because it is not connected to any internet gateway, right? Let me go back to our this one. Okay. Now let me run this part. Connect. And since earlier this one was connected to public VPC, so hopefully we will be able to connect it. Oh, come on. We are not able to connect it. Instance is unable to connect it. Let's check what is the issue. Okay. VPC public. It should get connected. Okay, let's check some security things where it is. Let's check the subnet part. So, Ubuntu, Unix, server. Okay, let's go a little up. Security and roles, networking. Let's go a little down. Okay. You can see it is connected to network 4, okay, and which is private one. So that's why we were unable to do this part. Uh, it's completely fine. We can change the subnet of network 4. This EC2 instance, since it is already associated with that one. So what we can do, we can make subnet 4 as a connect to that route table. Otherwise, what else we can do? Networking. Okay. We were detached. Okay, AWS. So far, there is no way to connect with other subnet. Okay, we can create another IP address. That's completely fine. Other EC2 instance, which will be based on. Let's create another one. That's public VPC. Okay, which will be based on the public part. I actually don't remember what happened. It was connected to the private subnet. No issue. We'll create a public VPC. I'll try to check if I could connect any instance which is already assigned any subnet. We can change that subnet or not. I'll try to check, and if I'll get the answer, I'll back to you in the very next video and explain about that one. Okay, let's go a little down. That's fine. Key pair we'll have to choose the same key pair we're gonna choose. Test company and not that one. Then we'll be a little down. We'll edit this part, networking setting. Okay, we'll connect with our VPC. That's done. Network to public. Yeah, we want the public one. Okay, we'll have to enable this one. That's good. Okay, security group, SSH, rest of the things is okay. Okay, then we'll launch the instance. So this time we have created another one. It will take few seconds. I won't say minute. Okay, this one. I'll just terminate this one, which is no longer in use. For now, I'll just stop this. This is the previous one. Okay, don't get confused. Terminated part, we don't have to check. Stop the one VPC which I have stopped. It was connected to the private, so that's again none of our use. So we have one public VPC and one private VPC as an instance, one to server instance. Okay. Now we'll try to connect with this public one. Okay. We were unable to get connected with the private. Let's check with the public one, and definitely we're gonna connect with this one, and I'm sure. Okay, It will take few seconds. You can escape if you wish. Mm, Not the whole video. Yeah, we got connected. Okay, we can even check sudo apt update. So it's taking a little bit time. It gets stuck. I don't know what's the issue is going on, but it's working fine. Okay, let's wait for some time. Till then, we can take the IP address of our private VPC and we'll try to ping this one. Okay, we'll just go. We'll copy this one. Okay, this is the one. Come on, yeah. Just get refresh. Now what I'm gonna do? I'm trying to connect our. I'm just trying to ping our private EC2 instance using our inside our public EC2 instance. Okay, as we have seen that this one is definitely not working. Okay, so one of them is our previous one. Establish a SSH connection. We'll have to again reconnect. I'll just move this to public private con. Now connect SSH. Not SSH, EC2 instance connect. Hmm. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. Yeah. Now we'll try to ping the IP address of our. Again, it got hanged. Oh my god. We'll try to ping our previous phone. Again, I'm going to copy. It's giving little trouble, but hope it's open. I'll gonna choose the public. You can use the private one also. It's completely fine. It will be taking time. Mm, Come on. Maybe some network issue is going on. Just try to use this one, ping, and use the IP address. Click and then click enter. You will get the message as connected. Not as connected. You will analyze how the things are going. Extremely sorry for this network issue. If you still have any confusion or any doubt, please put it down in the comment section. I'll try to cover that one. Okay, I'll check if this issue will go. I'll try to again edit this video and make it a new one. Thank you so much for your patience.